It began on a bare concrete floor, one coffee maker, a dented door, a borrowed space, 4 people deep, a sketch on paper, no time for sleep, no signpost saying where to go, no tidy plan, no way to know, just sore hands, stubborn heads and grit, and the nerve to build a life from it. We figured it out by moving fast, and when the answers weren't around, we made our own path. We build what lasts, we build what moves, we take the hard, the rough around edges, and make it work for you. With every weld, with every part, there's more than metal in the room, there's intention in the start. We've come this far, but we're built for more.